Wow, guys! You can see there are many cars parked here. It's very looks nice. Wow, this is a school bus. Wow, this looks so cute, guys. Let's see what else is here, friends. It's robot car. This is very nice. Let's see what else is here, friend. This is luxury bus. It is very nice, guys. Wow, guys. What is this? This is a wild tanker. It's very nice look, guys. Wow. Look, friends. Look. This is Tata Sumo car. It's very beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. This is concrete mixer truck. It's very beautiful, guys. Look, friends, look. This is ruller. Let's put it here. Let's see what else, guys. This is Jeep car. Wow, this looks so cute, guys. Wow, guys. Wow, this is drum truck. Let's put it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, friend. Wow, this is Thomas train. It's look very nice, guys. It's look very nice. Wow, look, guys, look. Wow, this is bullet train. Wow, this looks so cute, guys. Wow, friend, look. Wow, this is loader truck. Let's put it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is dragline excavator. Let's put it here, guys. Look, friends, look. Wow, this is mobile crane. Let's see what else, guys. This is a police car. It's look very nice. We will also take in our car, guys. Wow, what is this? This is water tanker. It's very look nice, guys. Wow, guys, wow. This is luxury bus. Wow, guys. Wow, this is truck. It's very beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. Look, friend, look. Wow, this is wild train. It's very nice, guys. It's very nice. What is this? Wow, this is a robot car. It's very beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. Wow, this is concrete mixer truck. Wow, this is nice. Wow, truck excavator. It's very beautiful, guys. Wow, this is school bus. Wow, guys, wow. This is dump truck. It's a nice look, guys. Wow, this is water tank. Guys, very nice. Wow, this is ambulance. It's very nice look, guys. Let's see part it here. See what else is, guys, here. Wow, this is Trontron excavator. It's very look nice, guys. Wow, what is this? This is a big RC bar. It's look very nice, guys. Look, guys, we have loaded our trucks. Now we will leave, guys. Wow.